The internet is huge. In fact, there are over 1 billion websites out there. On the one side, this is amazing, as it enables us to search for almost anything we want. On the other hand, it can be really annoying as well. So many websites also mean strong competition. Therefore, we as web developers have to make sure that we utilize everything we can. Every tool that can give us an edge over our competitors. In today's video, we want to present you 5 must-have tools for any website owner. Those tools all come from Google. Google is by far the largest search engine in the world and provides us with tons of great tools to improve our sites and rankings in the search results. So let's get started. The first tool we want to present to you today is Google Analytics. If you've been in the industry for more than a few months, you probably already know about this tool. Google Analytics is one of the, if not the best analytics tool for your website out there. It tracks all kinds of data about your website and its visitors. The cool thing about Google Analytics for web developers is that you can also create custom events that you can trigger with simple JavaScript code. So for example, when your user performs a specific action you want to track, you can simply trigger a custom analytics event in your code and you will get a detailed report about this event on your Google Analytics dashboard. We won't cover all of the technical details in this video, like setting up an account, verifying your website or combining multiple Google tools. But for optimal insights and analytics, make sure to connect your Google Analytics to all the other Google tools that support this connection, like the Search Console or Google Optimize. Tool number 2 on our list is the above mentioned Google Search Console. The Search Console, formerly known as Google Webmaster Tools, allows you to check the indexing and visibility of your websites and gives you detailed keyword analysis. This powerful tool is the must-have for SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization if you didn't know already. By the way, other search engines might provide similar services. For example, Bing has something like the Search Console as well. In the Search Console, you can submit sitemaps to your website, so Google can make sure that they have indexed all the relevant sites on your website. This is especially important for larger projects with a lot of pages and content, like a blog for example. It also gives you deep insights into the Google searches of your users. It tracks exactly what your users searched for before clicking on your website. In the past, this was also visible in Google Analytics, but they completely removed it from there. So now it is only available in the Search Console anymore. Therefore, like mentioned earlier, it is recommended to connect your Search Console to your Analytics account to get the most out of those tools. Which tools do you use for your website? Do you have any additions to our list? We'd love to read your comments about this. Also make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos. The next tool is extremely practical if you're using many different tools by Google. The Google Tag Manager gives you a place to store all your other Google Tools accounts and combine them for you. This sounds hard to imagine right now, so let me explain it a bit for you. Inside the Tag Manager, you can add all kinds of JavaScript and HTML tags you got from other tools such as Google Analytics, the Search Console or Google AdSense for example. The dashboard makes it really easy to update or change the code snippets to use on your website. The Tag Manager then gives you a single code snippet to put on your website, and all of the other tools will work perfectly fine without ever having to touch the backend of your site when you want to make some changes to the tools you're using right now. Needlessly to say, the Tag Manager is a must-have for any website that uses at least 2 different tools from Google, which you should almost always do. The last 2 tools we want to show you today don't directly interact with your website's code, but are nevertheless extremely useful for SEO, search engine optimization purposes. The fourth tool of today is Google My Business. Google My Business is a powerful tool for everybody running a real-world business. Setting it up is relatively easy and has a huge payoff. If someone now searches for your business, he will find you with these, and Google will display one of these boxes on the right-hand side of the search results. Make sure to fill your information as much as possible to enable optimal results with this awesome tool. Google My Business allows for all kinds of data to be displayed when someone searches for your company. Besides the standard things like address, website or telephone number, it also allows you to set working hours, image collections or latest posts if your website also has a blog or similar. My Business is also tightly integrated with Google AdWords, where you can buy ads for your business, and Google Maps, which is vital for your success as an offline real-world business. So if you have any kind of business in the real world with a real office and address, definitely make sure to use Google My Business and boost your SEO rankings in just a few easy steps. The last tool for today is Google PageSpeed Insights. This tool is great for anyone working on optimizing their website. The PageSpeed Insights gives you, like its name suggests, detailed insights of your website's speed and loading times, both on mobile and desktop. The great thing about this tool is that it not only gives you the loading time, it also gives you a detailed analysis of all the points that could be improved, and for popular technologies, even suggestions on how to improve it right away. Common points of improvements are image or video loading times, inefficient caching or wrong media formats. Google PageSpeed Insights provides you with an in-depth explanation to each point of improvement, which can be extremely helpful for anyone. Those were the 5 must-have free Google tools that everyone should use for their website. Which of these tools did you already know and use? Let us know in the comments. We hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos. Also make sure to comment down below if you have any questions or critique whatsoever. We're excited to see you again next week, and until then, stay healthy and keep on learning.